Hello everyone, welcome to the daily analysis video. So as you have seen, like I have posted today's profit verified link and as well as yesterday's verified link. So I'm going to discuss one of the strategy that can help you and that I also followed these 2 days mostly. So especially on the expiry days, it works beautifully. And yeah, so let's discuss everything with the help of the data points, what we are expecting next. So as discussed even yesterday, the data points, that is EOD analysis, yesterday I couldn't make the video, that's why I posted here, and as well as for YouTube I posted it under the community tab. And yeah, so the view was bearish and it was a sell on rise view. So as you saw that Bank Nifty today from the morning, it was just sell on rise, just at the end it went up. So who is stopping you to earn through 90% of the trading time, and just the last hour leave it? Okay, so when analysis is not working, just leave it. So anyways, coming one by one, yesterday's analysis, EOD analysis worked out perfectly. Talking about today, so today I also for the ex followers, I posted the money flow. Okay, so I posted the money flow, the HTML page, which gets updated at 5 minutes interval, and it was live. As you have seen that how beautifully money flow works. Actually the links were already there, so I just again reminded you that yes, the links are available so that you can access the money flow live during the market hours. So so until unless you test it live, how will you understand? Okay, so that's why I posted. And now as you can see, today don't see, Nifty also gave a bearish sign in the morning, but I did not trade in Nifty, as you know. But at the end, you see Nifty is ending in positive. Even I posted on X when 10 minutes were left that look at the money flow. It was positive, and that shows that the big guys were making long positions. And we will show in the EOD data as well that the big guys, either FIs or PropDex, one of them has made long position. So coming down to Bank Nifty today expiry day. So Bank Nifty is the one you follow mainly. So I follow mainly. So Bank Nifty was a clear cut signal. I mean, there is beautifully it showed that big guys are shorting the index, and it went down. And yes, so it worked perfectly. And just go and check the scores with the help of the timestamp, and there is nothing else. And even Bank Nifty also at the end, it's ending in positive note. So yes, talking about our members channel. So members channel morning shorted 50k at 110, and again shorted 50k at 210. Now here's the problem. Many would come and say that देखो आपने 110 पे शॉर्ट किया, फिर 210 पे चला गया, तो आप कैसा ट्रेडर हो भाई? I have said you earlier as well that I am a directional trader first of all, and I take high risk high reward trade. Okay, so my trade, if it goes out of 10 times, it goes 2 times correct and 8 times correct and 2 times wrong. So even the 2 times wrong, it takes away a huge profit of mine. It doesn't matter, because the 8 times also it's giving me huge profit. For example, today just go and check shorted at 110, shorted at 210. So almost the average price comes out around 155. So from 155, this price went down to 32. Also, I think at the afternoon it went down to some 20s as well. Okay, so anyways, I was able to close it at 50. So that's not the point. You see, I'm getting 100 points. So even 8 times, if I get 100 points, I am getting 800 points to eat. And 2 times, if it takes away even 150 as well points from me, then also I'll be left with 300. So 800 minus 300. Okay, so 500 points. So that's my idea. Now, I have also told you that you don't have to I'm not saying that you do according to me. You got the direction. I know what the big guys are, where they are sitting, what they are doing, at what price they have sold. I know. I have my setup. I know according to my analysis. Okay, I'm not saying कि मैं सर्वज्ञानी हूँ, मुझे सब पता है. नहीं, I'm only saying that according to my analysis, I know what I'm doing. Okay, yes, and also I accept that my analysis can go wrong. Okay, so and it goes wrong out of 10 days. You have seen hardly it goes wrong for 1 day. So 2 days, even if I consider it goes wrong, I'm safe. So you got the direction, you go out of the money. I'm shorting at 210. You can it's not a recommendation or anything. If you want, you can do this. Okay, there is no recommendation or anything. So you can go like I'm shorting at the money in the money 50 k. You go 200, 300, 400 points up. The price there was still like 50. The premium there was still more than 50. So you get to take those so safely. Okay, so there is option for you. So you should understand that you don't have to look at what I am doing. Okay, you have from what I'm doing, you just have to get the direction and then you are on your own. Okay, so now coming down to the other thing, that is yes, for the buying, yes, bought at 90, closed at 103. This I like really. This went 2x after that. So anyways, no regret. After that also like again. Bought at 135, bought at 125. Sorry. I was just going to buy at 135 and it just suddenly jumped to 158. Then it came down to 125. I bought it and closed it at 160. And here, notice the time. Note down the time. 11:33. During this period, it several times went between these two levels, 120 to 140 or 120 to 49,900 p, 160. So note down the time, 11:33, Bank Nifty 11:33. So here, so 11:20, so 11:30. So it goes up and down, goes up and down, goes up and down, and it did several times before this jump, and even after this jump again it came down. So it did this like this region here. It went down. It went from this 120 to 160 range like 2 to 3 times, and from 120 to 140 range 5 times. Okay, so even if I 5 times, if you capture 20 points, it's still 100 points in option buying. Think about that. Okay, so again, I'm not taking any credit. I just told the idea. Now it's up to you. So it worked out perfectly, and then again like here, that is like again bought at 80 and 100, average was at bought at 80 and 90, average was at 85, closed at 100. And then I said that why am I closing early, because the at 13:44, though at the end put writers also came. So put writers came, and that's where like I became cautious. And at 3 p.m. I like took this trade, but I lost there like in writing. I did not buy. In writing I lost on an average 30 points. Okay, and in the morning as you see, like from 150 it came down to like I closed it at 50. So I got 100 points in writing. So I was taking that risk, but I clearly mentioned that could be risky. So I never said in the morning or something. I said at I say this when I am taking a chance, that I am taking a risk, because I have already 100 points. If I lose 30 points, so it doesn't matter. I still have 70 points left with me. Okay, so that's where you should understand. Okay, that where to take risk, where to not to take such risk. And so overall it went a beautiful day. So now let me tell you the strategy. The strategy is that here also I mentioned that the price is moving from this range to this range. Now first, the strategy, you have to do this premium decay analysis. Okay, so like this throughout the day this premium decay was bearish. Okay, especially let's come to Bank Nifty. So this Bank Nifty, so this was bearish. Okay, so that means what? That means premium decay is bearish, means on the call side more decay is happening. So then what you do is, like, that means on the put side decay is less. So you go to the put side, you find like at the money or near about at the money or in the money. Like today I went with just near about at the money. Okay, sometimes it was at the money 49,900, and sometimes it was just little out of the money. Okay, so now there what you do is, there you see the price range. Okay, so there will be a time when this price range will be moving from one price range to the other. Like today, as I told, like during that time 11 after 11, so the price of that was going from 120 to 160 or 125 to 140. So this range was coming. Okay, so 20, 30, 40 points, this range was going on. Okay, and so there you go. And so how to like put an SL, that is basically you are riding this and so on and so forth, you are enjoying, and now suddenly market spikes up or whatever, it goes against your direction. Right there what you do is you put a stop loss. Okay, that is you captured like let's say 4 times, and the 5th time it went against you, so it hit your stop loss. So 4 times तो मिल गया ना भाई, तो उससे अभी लॉस हटा दो तो फिर स्टिल यू विल बी प्रॉफिटेबल. सो यू हैव टू फाइंड दिस थिंग दैट इज first of all you have to identify on which side the premium decay is not happening or is less. Okay, so that is the main part. After that you have to identify one of your strike price, a favorable one, where you notice that this is what is happening. The price is like swiping between these intervals, like 20s to 120s to 160, 120s to 140 or 150. So that's how you like figure it out. Okay, so that's what the strategy is, and that's how like even I use it today as well. Like if you notice that open it that like mostly I traded in 49,9000p. That's what I did there. Okay, I figured that out. Every time interval, at some point of time, it was the price was moving from 70 to 99. Okay, so it 80 to 90 or 80 to 100. So this is when I again went. And at the very end, I just took one at another strike price, but that is like 5,000 profit I got. It was a very quick trade. I wasn't able to even update as well. So anyways, the main idea I shared it with you. Even I did that like yesterday as well. Even if you open this yesterday's FinNifty, so you will notice that very few strike price I bought. Like you will not see that like many trades have been taken. I specifically like the strike price that you will see that are very less, because in that strike price itself I take several trades and get out. Okay, so that's what the idea is. So anyways, let's come down to our so our analysis. So talking about here, that is on the charts. First of all, Nifty is like taking support for now. So let's see how long it takes support. BankNifty also like is like here. So if you notice that BankNifty also like came down, and then if it's not breaking yesterday's low, so then it's taking support near that, and it's again going up. So near about here there is no particular there is one level of ours, that is 49,991. So and it hovered at around that level throughout the day. Now talking about the EOD data, which is very very important. So EOD data, as you can see, futures not much activity, although the Propdex, they have closed the futures long short positions. And also like talking about here, that is you will see closing happening. So let's look at the overall position. So overall positions of FIIs are call buyers and as well as put buyers. So they are option buyers. And also talking about Propdex, they are they are called writers and as well as put writers. Okay, they have increased their put writing. As you can see, this was the amount of total overall put writing yesterday, and this is now the overall put writing. You will say that the overall put writing is this, but yeah, so I take the recent ones. So recently, whatever their like the last 2 to 3 months, whatever their activity are, overall their positions are like put writing they have this and call writing they have this. So yeah, they have both the side call writing as well as put writing. So for them, market should be range bound according to the Propdex, but for the FIIs, they are like option buyers on both the sides. So any side market pumps up, no matter, like they that won't matter to them. But also, as I mentioned, like they have the fresh positions they are building is like Propdex are building are the put writing positions. Okay, and the fresh today mainly the fresh positions by the FIIs are on the put buying side. Okay, so that's where like the overall the contrary part like between the FIIs and the Propdex. But Propdex, as you know, that they are not like they are as per the FIIs. I can say that recently they have become as per the FIIs in the options and futures segment. And so Propdex, it's kind of like fresh positions are long, and that also can be seen like here as well. And that also like I notified here, that is again here at the end, that is check the money flow. So money flow was positive, and it was a clear cut signal that at the end long positions were getting built up. And so if my analysis are helping you, so please do put a like. Likes are free and anonymous. Okay, no one is going to know that you have liked. So anyways, please do like if my analysis are helping you, and encourage me to post such analysis even like in the future as well. So coming down to here, that is the option chain. If you look at here, that is heavy put writing has been done here. And also like tomorrow we have Nifty expiry, and also the call side at the money, as you can see, and in the money huge short covering, and also at the money it's looking kind of little weak. Okay, so that's what it is. And fresh positions, as you can see here, that is OI chains 30 lakhs. So that's what I've told. Like this was at, like, let's say during the day 24,700 at 7 rupees or something. So those who have like 5 cr, 10 cr or 50 cr or more than that, they do these, like they short at they think that 24,700 can't come tomorrow, and they like eat this premium. So yeah, now talking about Bank Nifty, today it expired. So I think, yeah, that let's keep it to this. And also, okay, if you want, let's go to the Bank Nifty next week expiry. So the major thing is that the major development is going in the monthly one. So next week also, if you see here, that is these call writers are stuck, and also like this put writing has been done, fresh put writing. And also like let's look at the monthly option chain. So monthly option chain for Nifty, if you look at here, that is 29th August. So 29th August, if you look at here, that is it's a clear cut, as you can see here, that is in the money 24,000. These writers got stuck. 20 lakh contracts are still there. Okay, so as long as they are there, they are not the retail traders. Okay, so retail traders don't do the like 20 lakh contracts. So it's the big guys. Okay, so the big guys are still sitting there expecting that market can fall. And also look at the put side. So put side, they are not doing anything. Like they are also short covering on the put side. So monthly expiry is like looking a little bit bearish. Okay, so please do stay cautious. And anytime, like again, anytime if market falls, so you'll have to catch these HFT guys before the market falls. And if you want to catch the big guys during the live market hours, and so you are almost welcome to be a part of the derivatives indicator group. And also, like, don't forget to take the advantage of the coupon code in the comment section, and which is only available for one more member. And talking about here, that is you get access to the money flow indicators, this Google sheet, and also like yeah, so also a complimentary access to the Telegram channel. Okay, where I share my trades and my analysis, and about the HFT traders, where they are, what they are doing, and what fresh positions are they making, at what price, and so on and so forth. So if you want such analysis, so I mean 15K for a year, it's not a big deal, and that's also like under discount. So do grab the discount offer. And yeah, so it's going to end soon, very soon. And yeah, if my analysis are helping you, please don't forget to put a like, and thanks for watching, and keep watching, and keep learning, and trade safely. See you in the next one.